What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Williams family, and we're back with another freaking video. Before we get this video started, guys, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications because we're on the road to success. And by the way, guys, speaking of being on the road to success, thank you so much for getting us to 3K. We are now on the road to 4K. Okay, all right, so this video that I'm actually coming with today, guys, is a bit different, and it doesn't include all the other members of the Williams family. So the video that I'm going to be doing today, as you guys can see by the title, is 5 reasons why you should start a business. So if you're interested in starting a business, you feel inspired to start a business, or you just been needing just that little little hunch, okay? I'm here to give you 5 good reasons why you should start your business today, okay? The number 1 reason why you should start a business is for independence, okay, guys? If you are an independent type of person, you're just not good at working, the regular 9 to 5, okay? Even though, let's be very transparent, starting a business, you may have to keep your 9 to 5 at the very beginning. But if you are a person who is independent and like to just take control of your life and your finances and your say-so and what you have a say-so over, then yes, this is one of the reasons why you should start a business. Also, having independence, it also gives you freedom, okay? So if you're a person who just loves your freedom, if you love being independent, you should start a business. Number 2, the second reason why you should start a business is because you're trying to pursue a passion, or if you're just trying to turn a hobby into like a everyday thing, so something that you can get paid for. So for an example, one of my businesses is bossylashesbykei, and I enjoy doing lashes as a hobby. Therefore, this type of business, it has now went from my hobby, something that I just like to do, to something that I can actually bring in income for me and my family with, okay? Also, if you just want to pursue a passion that you have, for an example, one of the passions that I have is one of my second businesses, which is Thelearningspotinfo, guys. So I have a passion for helping children who live in poverty. I have a passion of bringing education to them, because I feel like education, you shouldn't have to pay for it. It should be free. Okay, so yeah, like that's a passion of mine. I feel deeply about that. So if there's something that you feel like a deep need for, especially in a community and society, and you should most definitely go for it, okay? So like, every business idea doesn't have to be the next trend, doesn't have to be the next thing that you're selling, or whatever the case may be. It can also just be a passion, something that you're passionate about, something that you can do for you, your community, your family, and so forth. So like with the Learning Spot, for example, I turned the Learning Spot to a non-profit so that I can help support those children who live in poverty, who are not able to afford tutoring and afford mentoring from from other private sources. So I am here for them. Number 3, okay, one of the main reasons why people want to start a business is due to finances, okay? You're looking for an extra source of income, just some little, just money to bring in. Another thing is, guys, when you are bringing in that small amount of money that may seem like, oh, it's not doing anything, trust me, it's doing something, okay? You may not think it is, but it is, okay, guys? Anything that is extra, that is not coming from your 9 to 5, that is coming from you pursuing your passion, or you taking a hobby from a hobby to a business, this is something that's worth it, okay, guys? So this is why you should start a business, okay? You should start a business for financial purposes, okay? There are a lot of businesses out there that you can start with 0 to no money down. And I'm being 100%, I'm not selling you guys anything today, okay? Because I don't have anything for sale for you. But I will say this much, like, yes, financial freedom is one of the main reasons why people choose to start a business, or even like bringing in extra money throughout the month. For an example, for myself, it feels good to be able sometimes to not use the money from teaching and I could just use my money from Bossy Lashes, or I can use my money from the Learning Spot, or I can use my money from any other type of, you know, side hustles that I may have. That money comes in handy, okay? That is the money that you can just put to the side, you can save, and you know, you build your freedom with that as well. Another thing is that small money sometimes, we're talking about starting a business, let's not keep our head in like this very small place, okay? We're going bigger places. Okay, we're going bigger places. So that small amount that we're referring to now, that you can make from your side hustle, from your business, it can become a source of income. Okay, and it becomes a source of income with your consistency. So that's what you need in order to reach a higher level of financial status in your business. You have to be consistent. Okay, now without the consistency, let's say that you're just moving with the flow, you're just going with the flow, okay, you're gonna have some extra money to spend, okay? So why not? Why not start a business? For financial reasons, okay? Number 4, the 4th reason why you should start a business is to make an impact, okay, guys? Make an impact in your community, make an impact in your culture, make an impact in even your religion, if so, guys. My thing is, every day you should be trying to make an impact in some shape or form, because you never know who's watching you. You never know who you're inspiring. You never know who's going to be the next big thing, maybe just because they seen you and what you're doing and what you can offer just to the world in general, okay? So just make sure that you're starting a business to make an impact, whether that's in retail, whether that's in service, sales, whatever it is, guys. It doesn't matter what type of business you have. You can use your business to start a passion, okay? I mean, you can use your business and your passion. I know why I said passion. Actually, it goes back to the second reason why I say you should start your business, which is to pursue a passion. So yes, in step 4, one of the reasons why you should start a business is due to their passion, okay? It's due to that passion to be able to bring back to your community, to impact not only your community, but impact the people that's around you, whether that's on social media, or that's just from your family members as well. I look at some of my little cousins right now, and they tell me how they want to do this in life, and they want to do that. They want to start this type of business, that type of business. And you know, I don't give myself credit, but I'll be like, yeah, I made an impact, okay? And now I'm excited that they're ready to make an impact, and they're ready to do something great in this world. That's all about them being the boss that they are, okay? The 5th reason why you should start a business is for flexibility, guys. If you're the type of person and you just need that flexibility, you're not really into like this very strict schedule, or if you just need the flexibility for the purpose of just like a better work-life experience, okay? That's the reason why you should start your business, okay? Like, if you're the type of person that's like, I don't like getting up every morning at this time and doing this and doing that, and then I have to clock in and clock out. Like, if you're that type of person, you need to start a business, okay? Because you need a better life for yourself, okay? I am not knocking the people who work 9 to 5s at all, but because I work a 9 to 5 while running 2 other businesses, so definitely not knocking you. But I will say this much, starting a business definitely creates a work-life balance. And right now, being a stay-at-home mom and not working my 9 to 5, I can completely take advantage of number 5, the 5th reason for wanting to start a business, which is to create that work-life experience. Right now, being pregnant, I'm not able to just jump up in the morning and just get ready for work without feeling like nauseous or just not feeling like myself. So, you know, being able to work from home, it's like I make my own schedule. I'm flexible. And guys, you know, honestly, starting a business, especially when you're looking to start a successful business, and we're talking about flexibility, it definitely works with just your entire life in general, okay? So for an example, there are appointments that I have for the baby, and it feels so good that I could just say anytime, any date. okay? And that's because, you know, I'm creating that work life balance for myself, okay? And then, you know, also I do know that, you know, sometimes I have to be like a little specific in my time, but that's the more that comes with the more you put into your business. So the more you put into your business, the more your business expands. Your flexibility does become a little, it doesn't minimize. I would say that much. Your flexibility begins to minimize because your business is now functioning like that 9-to-5 job you were just working. But guess what? Here's the difference. That business is your passion. That business is something that you want. Okay, something that you're pursuing, something you're doing for not John, not Sally, not Cindy, not Rob. You're doing it for you. Okay, but anyways, guys, I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. I enjoy making this video for you. Please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, because like I said before, we're on the road to success. Here is the 5 reasons why you should start a business. So if I didn't convince you today, child, I don't know what to tell you. Just go start your business, okay? And then holler at me. If you need any help, guys, anyone's looking to start a business, they just need any type of advice, whether that's about starting your LLC, getting your DUNS number, your business credit, anything like that, please just go ahead and DM me. Well, not DM me, actually email me, okay? I want to put my email right here on the screen. You can send an email here and I would make sure to actually get in contact with you so that we can start your road to success. Bye, guys.